Before installation, engineers and contractors need to specify the proper cable insulation type for long-term success. The cable must be built to withstand exposure to chemicals, extreme cold or hot temperatures, and be rated for direct burial installations. The cable's insulation must be durable enough to withstand longer pulls and flexible enough to glide through 90-degree bends common in roadway installations. Cables must also be phase identified with standard and non-standard collars to accommodate the requirements of the newer GPS and surveillance technologies. Service Wire is the leader in low-voltage power and control cable for roadway and street lighting projects. Our XLPE insulated products can be used in conduit, cable trays, ducts, or direct burial installations. Conductors are phase identified in the traditional black, red, white, and green, as well as purple for video surveillance specifications, most commonly seen in New York and Texas. Our thermoset cross-link polyethylene insulation is more resistant to chemicals and the environment than thermoplastic THHN or THWN-2. It will not melt like THHN when exposed to heat or freeze in extreme cold temperatures. Plus, the XLPE compound has almost 5 times the crush resistance of thermoplastic products, proving to be a more durable cable. This is especially critical where longer pulls with multiple 90-degree bends and underground conduit are common.